What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am at Aquaflora, finally after 15 months after pandemic of COVID-19. I'll be able to travel once again, and I have been working in the gallery at Esther's garden for about 1 week and a half, and I would like to show you some of the tanks. Some of them they have a partial rescape, others a full replanting. So it will not be a complete update about last video that I have showed to you guys before, but at least you can have an idea how the tanks look like right now. Also, I have some great news that I would like to show you, like the Palo Pound, the 180 centimeters planted tank that was finally planted. And let me take a tour. Probably we'll take this video in two parts, because we have so many tanks. I'm pretty sure I will not cover them all in one single video. So we're going to figure out that later, okay? So follow me, I will show you each tank, how it looks like, what is inside, what was been done, in order that you can be fully updated about them. This 180 centimeters tank was finally planted. I did it last Tuesday after 15 months of preparing the hardscape. The hardscape was done in March 2020 when Stephen Chong and Takayuki Fukada, they were here for the Japanese night, a live aquascaping event. I prepared the hardscape using XL azalea wood, some landscape rocks. I placed everything in this tank, but I was not expecting to take so long to come back and to finally plant it. The main idea for this layout was to create a very natural environment, going to old school with a nature aquarium, having plenty of space, wide space, just by using a lot of moss, easy plants, and mostly giving that wide shape in the front of the tank, having a lot of details and very easy-going plants. For the carpet, we have Lilaeopsis Novea-Zealandiae. I have used also some Vallis Nerenana, Juncus repens, also some different Anubias, Cryptocorynes, just easy-going because we have so many tanks in the gallery. And for this tank will be better if we keep it slow and low demanding, but at the same time very eye-catching and also very pleasant to the eye. So when you get in the gallery, you take a look to it, and you can be very impressed by the wood arrangement. Also having a very nice cooling fish in the tank, not taking too much attention from it, but mainly to give that natural feeling to the gallery. also I promised to Dave Shaw just as going to take care of it. I have decided to take most of the plants that were covering the wood and bring this one again like a phoenix reborn, bringing from ashes and try to make it